tell us, you've played, like I've been repeating again and again, these two very different portrayals of patriotism. Tell us about that experience and how both of them made you think about India. What is your idea of India for you then, Vicky?
See, firstly, as an actor, for me, I know that it's a director's medium, and as an actor, I'm merely a medium through which his vision has to be transferred to the audience, right? So for me, the script is the Granth and the director is the Granthi. And I follow the religion that is set in that film, as simple as that. So be it playing an army official in Uri or playing a freedom fighter in Sardar Udham, the note that is set in Uri or the note that is set in Sardar Udham, I completely surrender as an actor to that world, to that note, to that sur, that frequency, whatever you want to call it. So I completely surrender to that ethos, like he mentioned. That is my duty. That is the task that I take up. So when it comes to that, the script and the director decides that, and I play in that playground by the rules of the director and the fencing that the script allows me to play in. In terms of my idea of patriotism or the way I look at it, for me it's just been very simple, and it continues to be that. We have grown up reading out the pledge every morning in school, standing up, and that's how my day started, And it was about celebrating diversity. It was about celebrating secularity. It was about celebrating that brotherhood that we have. For me, one of the things that I'm proudest about being an Indian is every 100 kilometers here, the culture changes, language changes, food changes, Beautiful. The way we dress changes, everything changes. We talk about white people, black people. We are living in a land which is full of white people, black people, brown people, every shade of people. And we are living together in this piece of land called India. So for me, we all together make it India. And I am very proud of that fact. That we represent not just one culture, but a whole range of cultures, a range of diversity. And that for me is India. That still the essence is one, the spirit is one, and that for me is India, and that for me is patriotism.
Thank you. I seem to be running out of time, but I want a little bit of insight into each other's people. You just said that Vicky had a certain Punjabiyat in him, so give us some insight into that. Was it just the way he carries himself with military splendor? Or is it a certain Ghaman, Josh? Like, what is it? Give us some sense of who he is as a guy.
Punjabiyat, I mean, he was aware of Jallianwala Bagh. He was aware of Sardar Udham. As I said, that most of the people in my film industry had never heard his name also. So that was the Punjabiyat I was talking about.
Oh, not about his character.
Of course, I mean, that's a little bit, he improvises in his whatever he can, and there are many places that he comes up with certain words and improvisation. So I think that was the Punjabiyat I was basically talking about. And of course, I think ultimately is the integrity towards the project, or towards the character, towards the film, towards the narrative. What we are trying to say, is he on the same page with me or not? I mean, we can't be in a different tangent altogether, right? If with our understanding, with that tiny little, influence, if we can make to the entire world, so why not, So I think to understand that it is not huge thing that you have done a tiny little thing, but if that tiny little thing through this film can reach out to a huge audience. Like my producer friend Ronnie Lahiri, who has been with me all the time, he says, like in US it's been the Black Lives Matters. At that time, during the colonial British Raj, even the brown life mattered. So it's like that.
So, he was just talking about the idea of India that matters to him. You said that it kept deepening your idea of history of India. So, to end on, now that we are at India at 75, and we are celebrating these revolutionary figures, we are recalling them, remembering them. To you personally, what are the ideas that matter? And are there any ways in which we have let them down? You know, we live freely because of the way they sacrifice their life. Are we living up to those ideas? Are we letting them down?
Well, I think in my trailer, if you see, it's we have clearly written that world should not forget this, what happened, what he did. Even I think Sardar Udham also wanted that world should not forget that event, what changed our history possibly, you know, the movement. And it was one of that event that was so important even in our freedom struggle. And the event that he did, Sardar Udham, is also as important, and we should not forget that. Like Ronnie was saying, that in Auschwitz it's written that if you don't remember your past, you might repeat it. So it's very important for you to remember your past and your history.
On that note, we've had a long day, but I don't know about you, but I'm really agog to see this film, and through that to really think about ourselves as a nation. And both of you, it's been wonderful having you here. Thank you for sharing the film in such an animated way. I can imagine the spirit you've imbued it with. Look forward to it.
Thank you for having us here.
On Amazon Prime on October 16th. I had a lot of questions to ask about platform and place and location, but the sheer ideas and this mysterious man occupied my attention a little too long. But it's releasing on OTT, and you intended another cinematic release, but OTT has now become our addiction. So I'm really glad that that platform is available. And I wanted to share just one other little detail, that he had chosen Irfan Khan earlier, and of course Irfan was diagnosed and passed away, and so Vicky is carrying many legacies on his shoulder. Udham Singh, Irfan, and clearly Shajit is very happy with what's been created, so look forward to it, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good luck with the film.
Thank you.